Today I'll be showing you how to create a Faucetpay account. It's very easy to do. Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and like our video and comment below. Let's go to our Chrome browser. First thing you're going to do is you're going to sign up. You're going to sign up. Put your username, your email address, and confirm your email address and put your password. After you have registered, you go to your email to confirm the login details there. After that, you come here, you sign in. First thing you're going to do is that you click on this. I'm a woman. Said you should click on the ample. Sorry, the pineapple rather. Pineapple. Let's click on verify. Yes, you put your username and the password. These are dashboard here. Dashboard here. One thing about this facility is that you can also mine coin there. You see, wattage mining. You can also mine there. And if you want to link your, let's say, Trust Wallet, maybe you want to link your Dogecoin, Tron, or BTC. First thing you're going to do is that you go to your, let's go to our Trust Wallet. You click on receive. You copy the address there. Go back to your Faucet account. Put the address there and put the name label. Let's use name label. Let's use TRS Faucet. And you put the coin. You look for TRS there. You click on link. And you see, wow, your address has been linked successfully. That is it. What I will about this faucet is that they have many sites that you can mine faucet, free mining faucet there. I'll be showing you in my next video on how to get free faucet mining. Yes, let's go to earning. Use it here. You can do some survey there. You can do pay to click. There are many offer you can do in this faucet too. Let's go to Faucetpay. They're giving an offer to do. Let's say this one is a survey. I have to click on this and you'll be earning. You'll be getting 70p. That one is 70 faucet.